Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video. And as we all of the developers know, there are tons of resources for learning code like W3 Schools, Code Academy, maybe Free Code Camp. There are tons of, and there are many other to practice codes also, like different type of language codes, web development, clouds, and everything. But and there are too many YouTube tutorials too for free that is available totally for free. But there are really not pretty much good resource, like a vast amount of resource for ethical hacking or hacking kind of thing, because obviously hacking is a top tier skill to have. And if it's used not used properly, if you so it can destroy a lot of things. So white hat hackers, black hat hackers, that the thing. So if anyone is black hat hacker, so he can mess up a lot of things. So obviously that's why ethical hacking, it's not that. But we are talking about ethical hacking, but that's why all of those hacking stuffs are not easily available till now. Uh, but I think it will be available soon. There are there are some websites already available, but today I have found one website that particularly teach you about all kind of hacking, ethical. So let's visit it and see what they have. We are at hacks planning, and you can see this is security training for developers. So if you are a cloud developer as well, you should know how to protect your cloud environment, how to protect your VM instances. So they will talk about everything here. And let's go to features section, or the lesson section. All of them are pretty much same. So in the feature section, you can have this like hack a real vulnerable web application to learn how security exploit works. So they have tons of examples also. Now these are the same thing that is provided in the lesson section as well. So okay, just to visit this page. Okay, let's go to the lesson section directly, so we can see what are the things available. So here you can learn about SQL injection, cross-site scripting, command execution, clickjacking, cross-site request forgery, and tons of other cloud security, like security related terms, right? So you can see all of them here. And they are saying sign up for massive free access to even more. Yeah, there are tons of things also. So how this search works, you can simply sign up to them, and here you can learn about every one of them. And that's it actually. And they have the book also, which you can follow. We Here you can see that, buy it in Amazon. Obviously somehow they have to make money, but this is really a great initiative that they have taken. That because there are too many craze about this hacking thing right now, but none too there isn't too many resources. Like I haven't found out too many resources in YouTube. There isn't, because obviously YouTube is a like community based platform where you can't always share all of the really top track hacking stuffs, because you don't know what are the intentions of the public. So obviously that is obviously not available there. But there are some of the Udemy resources, the Udemy course that is already available. But this is first site that I am visiting that provide a lots of things about privacy and security, not privacy but securities. So that's it for this video. Visit this site. I know lots of like cybersecurity engineers, or maybe the students who are learning about cybersecurity now will love to visit here. So that's it for this video. Visit this site. Let me know if you like it or not in the comment section, and if you like my videos in general. please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps, web apps, websites like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below as well, so I can feature them in my future video. Bye for now.